All right, y'all, it is time to shake up your shelves.
It's time to shake up your shelves.
To shake up your shelves.
Shake the heck out of those shelves.
Ask yourself these questions when you think it might be time to retire a book.
Does it contain offensive or outdated language about an underrepresented group?
Are cultures other than white middle-class Americans represented in any substandard way?
Does the book employ white savior tropes?
Are people of color objectified through a white gaze or stereotyped?
What are the power dynamics on the page? Who controls the narrative?
Who makes the decisions?
Who speaks? Who is silenced?
Who acts? Who is acted upon?
Who looks? Who is observed?
Now that you've looked at what you have, let's think about these questions when you're looking to add books to your shelves.
Does the author identify as a member of the group represented in the book, especially the main character?
Overall, does your collection reflect contemporary experiences of underrepresented groups, not just historical experiences?
Does your collection include books that depict people of color as empowered and joyful, not only in situations of trauma and struggle?
Was the book well received and well reviewed by people in the underrepresented group with which the main character identifies?
It's time to shake up your shelves.
Shake up your shelves.
Shake up your shelves.
Shake up your shelves.